lots of ways that we can overcome fears, and we're going to look at some different advice, okay? So I'm just going to put up on the board. This one here. So we've got here 6 different methods for dealing with fear. What I would like you to do is read them one by one and then discuss it with your partner. Do you think this is a good way of overcoming a fear, or maybe a bad way? And then when you've read all of them, I want you to choose the 3 that you think are the best ways of dealing with a fear. Okay? So you're gonna,
we were talking about fear.
Yeah.
Here's a question. Do you enjoy roller coasters? Why do people generally like roller coasters?
Sometimes I think because they want to
Well, they want to feel the fear, don't they? The adrenaline. So I think for a lot of people, these dangerous sports, they are scary, but the adrenaline rush is, I guess, a really good feeling.
No.
just really
Can we tell me some before?
angry. So nobody's willing to
Which one do you think would help you with your face? Yeah, facing it many times, repetition. Yeah, it's like who was saying? I think it was.
Yeah.
I think it was maybe Marco was saying that at school they do lots and lots and lots of presentations, and the first time it's hard, but then it's easier every time.
I think.
And what was your theory again?
It's like a meditation.
Oh, right, so it's similar.
One of
The jumping
Yeah,
flies,
okay,
right?
yeah.
Which ones do you think are that's 2, 3, 5? Okay. So that idea of exercise can help.
Your girlfriend have snakes
Yeah.
as a pet, and you have this.
Okay, guys, if you haven't finished, don't worry. Let's just see what you think of the best 3. So Abdulaziz and Luca, which were your top 3?
2, 3, 5.
2, 3, 5, okay. For Mariko and Marco?
2, 3, 6.
2, 3, 6, so similar. Ladies?
2, 3, and 4.
2, 3, and 4. Okay, so 2 and 3 are very popular here. Stefan and Alicia?
Probably 2 and 5, and we're not so sure about the third one.
Yeah.
I like number 6 personally, laughing in the face of fear. And for Hyunho and Ayane?
2, 3, and 4.
Okay, so I think number 3, everyone chose number 3, is that repetition of facing it.